In today's time, data is paramount. People are saying data is oil, data is money. So it's not just upkeep and privacy of data in our case. I think it's true for all organizations, same is true for us. We have tons of data related to our employees, customers, other stakeholders, and that's really very important. So that's the importance of data. Ransomware threats are real. Globally, we heard all this about WannaCry or the other thing which came up. The key thing over here, as I see, is are we really safe from our perspective? Are we really patching our systems regularly? Are we giving a full awareness sessions to our employees? I think the safety lies within the organization first. We need to ensure that our systems are patched well, our employees have full awareness. And if you do that, 95% of the threats are actually taken care. And then you of course add technology, which takes care of the remaining 5%. So it's about process, it's about people, and then technology, not other way around. Whereas most of the organizations actually start with technology and think that just because by putting some technologies, you'll be able to tackle many of these threats. But the reality is, it's people, process, technology. But I know there have been organizations, even in automotive sector in India, who have faced this issue. And some of them have tackled it, some of them are still grappling with the situation. So there are people who are actually grappling with the situation today. That's why I said ransomware threats are real. For me, AceData is a partner. And if I was to look at three key components of why they are a trusted partner for me. First is knowledge. They really have knowledge of the products that they are supporting us. It's not just the technical knowledge in terms of products, but also from a service perspective, they are very good. So that's one piece of it. The second is humility. The entire team of AceData, what I've seen right from top to the account manager or the engineer who comes in, I've seen them to be humble. Otherwise, there are times when a partner is arrogant. Actually, from a partner, person becomes a vendor. So that's the second piece. And third, which is perhaps the most important for me, is integrity. What I have seen with AceData is they are honest, they have full integrity, and at least over the last 8 years, I didn't have a chance where I could doubt anything. And that to me is paramount. The team really performs well. So they have always been keeping their promises, that's why they're there. If an organization thinks that they are already at 9 or 10, they will never have a scope of improvement. The technology is changing so fast that if an organization is at a cutting edge, to my mind, the organization is around 8. And that's where I will rate AceData. If one has been working with a partner for 7-8 years, that means you really trust the partner, you really enjoy being with the partner, and the partner has been really doing a good service to you. So that's what AceData has been. Otherwise, they would not be with us for 7.5-8 years. Absolutely, yes, I would recommend. And the answers are what I said earlier. For me, they are trusted partners. And if a guy is a partner, then I better recommend that person.